Jack Chapman with Auto Repair Shop Success. Today we're going to continue our look at personalities. Let's look at type 2. This is the intellectual. They need information. They're going to ask you a ton of questions. This is where the digital inspections and visuals are really going to shine. They want to be educated, but they need to see the issue. Make sure that the work order details the 3 C's perfectly and that they're aware of options. Spell it out for them. Give them a detailed story. Role play with your coworkers to ensure that you've answered as many questions as possible. They want to know all the benefits you offer because that's going to help make them a loyal customer. Join us again next week for type 3. And guys, use this content. Use it in meetings, share it, and if you like more and want to see more, subscribe for more of that content. And as always, we can't wait to see you.